In 1980, Cantilan Bank started operation in the traditional way, using mainly collateral-based lending. 18 years later, we entered the microfinance market using RBIP MAB's uncollateralized cash flow-based lending technology. It helped us manage our risks in a more scientific way and taught us some other banking best practices. This made us grow to where we are now, a 1 billion peso asset enterprise as of December 31, 2010. Last year, Cantilan Bank was one of 7 rural banks chosen to undergo the risk-based lending consultancy program of Small Business Corporation and KFW. It was serendipity in its true sense. We realized that risk-based lending is the tool or weapon which would allow us to scale up our sites into the SME market and achieve 2 billion in 5 years. It allows us to identify, classify, quantify, and mitigate credit risks so that we can operate in the SME market with a great deal of confidence. As we move up market, allow me to thank, in behalf of Cantilan Bank, the SB Corps and the KFW for giving us risk-based lending as a weapon of choice. Special and personal thanks to our consultant, Dado Jose, former Vice President of the Bank of PI, who really gave his time and effort towards the rigorous training of our staff. We hope that the alliance just forged between SB Corps and Cantilan Bank will be fruitful as both continue to partner in the development of the SME market in the Caraga region in Mindanao. Thank you and good day.